Which one of these you want to use?
I think the biggest one will do the job.
That's why I brought it. I knew big is better.
They say if you can't get it right, get a bigger hammer, but I think that's the wrong saying. Just get the bigger correction.
I just hope we don't bend in the forward truck.
Hey, welcome back to Auto Salvage Outlaws. What we're doing today is disassembling the dash on the 64 f100, and we're going to take the heater box out and get all that out of the way. And it's good to have pictures and take plenty of pictures, because when you go to put it back together, the pictures is going to come in handy. On this old stuff, it's pretty much simple, but you still want to take pictures. So that's what we're doing today, and I hope everybody liked that old Salvage truck. We are debating on whether to, it's a roller, so we're debating on whether to put a motor and transmission in it and flat black it, or just leave it like it is. And then, well, it's going to be for sale. We got too many old stuff to even try to keep it. We got too many cars. I got too many. Buddy of mine's got too many to hold on to it. So, yeah, you can't hold on to all of them. But just take plenty of pictures of the inside. Now, a lot of people gonna think, why'd you put the sound barrier down on the floor if you ain't got the inside painted? Well, it's a lot better on your knees to go ahead and put it in there. It's not going to hurt nothing. Yeah, we're going to take this apart, take the steering wheel off, and I'm going to try to get some epoxy and try to fix this steering wheel. These things are getting hard to find. I have fixed them before and they look pretty good. So that's what we're going to try to do here on this one. And we're going to try to finish all this out today, and then get the inside, get started on it to get it ready to paint on the inside. So stay with us and hit that subscribe button and the like button and comment. We are up to 705 on subs. We appreciate all the subs that we get. Thank you.
A few moments later.
Well, we got all the switches except for the ignition switch. We're still trying to get it out, and get all the wiring out. The original wiring harness out. We're going with a paintless wiring. That makes it a lot easier. So what we're going to do is spray this down. It really can't take a whole lot of. It'd take us 6 months to get in there with hand and sand everything. So we're going to clean it and just kind of throw some primer on it. What we did was primer under the dash. There really ain't no sense of going under there and trying to sand it and primer it. We'll be here probably 6 months doing that. And this ain't gonna be a show truck. It's just gonna be a nice little truck just to ride around in for him and his wife and look good. There ain't no sense of trying to get everything done and take 6 months to get up on his dash. So what we did was just go ahead and primer it, and then I painted this with the cast aluminum color. just to put a coat of paint on it, and then I went ahead and run the insulation on the firewall like that all the way across. I cut a hose out for the box, for the new box to go in, and then all the little holes under there have been drilled over the years. Will be filled in.
Are you ready to work?